Alright, now check this out. Your boy Young World. I'm up at Sun Park today. You know what I'm talking about? But we at Sun Park and it's a lot of pine cones around here, right? And you know the pine cone got symbolism for our third eye. You know, and this is what your third eye looks like. It's a layer of different lenses. You know, it's in a pine cone shape. But one thing I noticed about the pine cone is it also got the Fibonacci sequence. And you can see it spiraling like the universe, you know what I'm saying? And everything that's in God's nature spirals. That's why our hair curls up, you know, and it grows upward and it spirals like that. Like everything in God's nature spirals, you know what I'm saying? Like you can find God within nature, within yourself, everything. But this pine cone, it got a lot of symbolism, you know what I'm saying? Not only because it has the Fibonacci sequence, which is found in every, you know what I'm saying, geometrical structure. There's advanced geometrical structure from the pyramids of Giza to temples in India, you know what I'm saying? This pine cone represents our third eye. And when you open your third eye, this is how it looks, you know what I'm saying? This is how it looks when you open your third eye, for real. But it resembles a pine cone opening, but it's just crazy that the pine cone has the Fibonacci sequence, right? That shit just blew my mind, like the golden ratio. I mean, I seen it before, but I ain't never, like you can pick up any pine cone, this is another one. But y'all see how it's spinning? And that's how the universe spin too, you know what I'm saying? Everything in nature, like you could flush your toilet, it's gonna be in harmonic resonance, you know what I'm saying, with the earth and the universe. Pay attention, they don't teach us this shit, dog. But these pine cones, man, like if you even look at it's called the Osiris staff, right? They found it in its burial site. It's like two snakes going up this pole to a pine cone, and everywhere is heavy symbolism of the pine cone, you know, being in reference to our third eye, you know what I'm saying? And when they did, you know, surgery and opened up the human brain and they saw how the actual pineal gland looked, you know, it looked just like this. Cut open the brain, that's how it's gonna look, and it's sitting on your forehead. So, this crazy. But it's so much shit, like flowers and plants, so many different things that grow in natural human resonance with the earth. God is within you. Don't let nobody tell you different. Look at this shit. People don't take time to even look at shit like this, for real. So, it's crazy.